This tutorial will show you how to change your job preferences on LinkedIn. To begin, click the down arrow next to me in the top right of your homepage. Next, click View Profile. On your profile, under Connections, click Open To. In the drop-down, click Finding a New Job. In the pop-up, you'll have the ability to personalize this section. First, add job titles you're looking for. Type titles into the gray bubble called Add Title. Next, add locations you're willing to travel to. Type your locations in the gray box titled Add Location. If you're open to working remote, click the box next to I'm open to remote work. Next, choose your start date preference. Choose the type of job you're looking for. When your preferences are all set, you'll have the option to choose who sees you're open. Choose from all LinkedIn members or just recruiters. Choosing all LinkedIn members will give you a badge on your profile image. If you're choosing just recruiters, this will only show up on your profile and only recruiters will be able to see that you're open to work. When you're finished, click Add to Profile. That's it, you're done.